para sa mga doktor, you can use me as your case study din, ha? Okay lang po, hindi ako magagalit. I will allow it. Use Doc Willie on case study. Ganito yan. My diagnosis is sarcoma. One of the most hardest cancer to treat. It is 16 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 13 centimeter hidden inside my abdomen. The cancer situated itself in a very tricky and devious manner. It started from the T10, T11 spine. It grew to 16 centimeters. This sarcoma, it is so destructive. It blocked half of my esophagus. See, it is hard to swallow. Ayaw pumasok. Bukod sa, hindi ko tinatawag na salbahe ang cancer, ha? Binilak niya yung esophagus ko. Tapos ang ginawa ng sarcoma, inipit niya yung aking right atrium. It also blocked my right atrium, almost compressing my heart. Look at my veins. And worst of all, you know what happened? This sarcoma is almost closing my inferior vena cava, my feet. Grade 3 edema, swollen feet yesterday. Today, grade 1 edema only. See, grade 1 edema. Grade 1, grade 2, up to here. It's a pitting edema. See, it's a pitting edema. Look at my legs. It's pitting edema. Isa, tama na. Nakakatakot na yan. So I will show you. Sa lahat po na may cancer, I will speak in English. So everybody in the world will be inspired. If you have cancer, you have to fight. I have one of the best doctors this morning. I am not saying they are the best, we are not the best, or Philippines is the best. It does not matter. But maybe there is some God's will that brought me here. Because when I saw all the beauty and strength, the speed, the coordination, and the brain power, everything here, ooh, it's like everything here is happening fast speed, fast speed. Here, in 2 days, they will get all your labs ready. On the 3rd day, they will kill the cancer. So on the 3rd day, I had the first chemo. The problem, I am admitted right now for one of the side effects of chemo, which is low WBC, which led to my condition now. You will be very surprised sa mga doktor po dyan. For those doctors and health workers watching, my diagnosis right now is neutropenic sepsis. So, what I should do as cancer patient, I was given this regimen, doxorubicin,